Hi everyone, I'm here with
Charlotte,
and she's going to teach us how to make
a cough roller bottle thing.
Awesome. Yep, a cough roller. So we're going to start with putting some oils into our 10 ml glass roller bottle there. And they have a little cute little sticker on it so that they know it's their cough roller. Because as you may tell, we have a lot of these roller bottles for different needs. So we're going to put 2 drops of frankincense.
Oh, okay, that was a lot more than 2 drops.
That's okay. That's a good oil, always to have. And then we're going to do 4 drops of lemon. And as you can tell, some come out fast and some come out slow. And then we're going to put 4 drops of cardamom.
4?
4, yep.
Oh, going so fast.
Yeah. And 7 drops of eucalyptus. I'm just looking at the sky behind you. It's so beautiful.
Oh, it's pink.
Yeah, it's pink and purple. Blue.
How much of this?
Oh, sorry. Which one is that?
Eucalyptus.
Eucalyptus. We do 7. Got distracted with the beautiful sky. And then we're going to do 10 drops of breathe. And then we'll fill the rest with fractionated coconut. And you could use any other carrier oil of your choosing. And that's it. So it's simple, easy, and then you just, before you use it, just shake it up a little bit, and that's all. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.